If Google Chrome has been feeling slow, laggy, or just not as responsive as it used to be, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve the speed and performance of Google Chrome using a few simple steps that can make a real difference. We'll go through restarting Chrome, restarting your computer, disabling unnecessary extensions, turning on memory saver, enabling hardware acceleration, and clearing the browser cache. These are easy fixes that can help Chrome run smoother and use fewer system resources. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, let's restart Google Chrome. This is one of the simplest things you can do, but it often helps more than people expect. Close Chrome completely and make sure every window and every tab is shut down. Don't just minimize the browser. You want Chrome fully closed so it can clear out temporary memory usage and background tasks that may be slowing it down. Once it's fully closed, open Chrome again. This fresh start can help reduce glitches and improve overall responsiveness. Next, restart your computer. If your PC has been running for a long time without a restart, background processes can build up and affect browser performance. Click the Start menu, then go to Power and choose Restart. After your computer boots back up, open Chrome again and see if it feels faster. Restarting Windows refreshes system memory, closes unnecessary background tasks, and gives your browser a cleaner environment to run in. Now let's look at extensions. Extensions can be useful, but too many of them can slow Chrome down, increase memory usage, and sometimes even cause conflicts. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Extensions and choose Manage Extensions. Review the list carefully and disable or remove any extensions you no longer use. Keep only the ones that are truly important. This one step alone can noticeably improve browsing speed, especially if you've installed a lot of add-ons over time. After that, turn on Memory Saver. This is a built-in Chrome feature designed to reduce memory usage for tabs you're not actively using. To do this, click the three dots again, go to Settings, and then in the left-hand menu, click Performance. Find Memory Saver and switch it on. With this enabled, Chrome can free up resources from inactive tabs and use them more efficiently. If you tend to keep many tabs open, this can make a big difference in how smooth the browser feels. Next, let's enable hardware acceleration. This helps Chrome use your graphics hardware to improve performance, scrolling, and video playback. Go back into Settings, then click System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it on. After enabling it, click Relaunch so Chrome can restart with the new setting applied. In many cases, hardware acceleration can make Chrome feel much smoother, especially when watching videos or using graphics-heavy websites. Finally, clear the Chrome cache. Over time, cached files can build up and make the browser sluggish or cause pages to load strangely. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Select cached images and files, and if you want, you can also select cookies and other site data, then click Delete Data. Clearing old cache files can help improve browser speed and fix performance issues caused by outdated stored data. Just keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of some websites, so choose the options that make sense for you, and that's it. By restarting Chrome, restarting your computer, disabling unnecessary extensions, enabling memory saver, turning on hardware acceleration, and clearing the cache, you can often improve Chrome's speed and performance in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.